Okay, I'm Bill Fideli with Bow Products. We're here at the International Woodworking Fair in Atlanta 2018, and we're introducing our new GuidePRO and some other products here at the show. So I want to talk to you first about the new GuidePRO. This is a very innovative tool, and it's essentially a feed guide for a bandsaw, but it has other uses for other tables, which I'll talk about. So this tool has a detachable base. And this base, as you can see, has metric and imperial measurements that allow you to measure your distance from your fence to your blade, and can be used as a squaring tool as well. So that's just one of the features of the GuidePRO. So the GuidePRO has a speed cam on the bottom of it, and the purpose of this cam is for fast setups. So you can set the cam right in the miter slot, and you can gauge your distance to the material you're feeding into the blade. So here we go. So I got a board here, and the nice thing about this tool is it gives you continuous pressure all the way up the vertical seam right at the point of cut. So here, I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to apply pressure as I get close to the blade and lock it into place. Now on the pivot, the tool is locked into place. I've got two hands free to feed the wood through the blade, and notice that the GuidePRO is shielding me from the blade. So I continue my cut. I use a push stick to finish it. Right? It's as simple as that. It's locked into place. Now the other great thing is this silicone feather here can accommodate variations in shape of the wood. So let's say I wanted to cut something like this. Same thing, put it in the slot, pivot it, back it off, and apply my pressure and lock it down, and now I can feed this type of a piece of wood. So there's a lot of flexibility with that feather, variations in wood, vibration dampening at the point of the cut, and a nice smooth glide. So that's the GuidePRO. Now we have a couple of accessories for the GuidePRO that allow you to do more with it. Remember before I said that you could use it only on the bandsaw, but we have a thing called the anchor bar that allows you to use it on a table saw and a router, because the blade action is different on those machine tools. So here it is. This is called the anchor bar. And all it really does is lock the GuidePRO into the miter slot, right? So that it's got a left feed and a right feed position. All you do is you take the quick speed cam out of the bottom, and then you mount the anchor bar into the base using the same screw. You position it, lock it down. Now even on a bandsaw, if I wanted to lock it into place, I can do the same boards, repetitive feeds, repetitive cuts of the same type of material without resetting it. So the anchor bar has a lot of uses. And again, left or right feed on a router or a table saw. The other accessory that we provide for the GuidePRO is the extension. You take this feather out, you slide this feather in so that you get 10 inches of coverage for taller panel feeds. So that's our GuidePRO. The GuidePRO sold as its base, and then you have the extension and then the anchor bar accessories.